Bon dia. Hey, folks, great question here from one of our YouTube subscribers. Hey, Patrick, we have a loved one who we're very concerned about, but they're refusing to go into a nursing home. They're falling at home. They're not being safe. They're leaving the stove on, and the family's really, really concerned about them. And they ought to be going into a nursing home, but they're very stubborn, and they're still driving their automobile. Despite us taking the car keys from them, they found another set of keys. So when it becomes a safety issue like that, folks, then my advice to our elder law clients, you have a duty to take action in the best interest of your loved one. You need to keep them safe first and foremost. And hopefully you're the legal healthcare proxy appointed in writing, and hopefully you're also the durable power of attorney appointed in writing in a durable power of attorney with enhanced elder law powers, all right? Hopefully you have those powers in writing. If you do not have those powers in writing, folks, then you need to have your elder law attorney petition the probate court for two things. Number one, conservatorship, so you can manage financial assets for your loved one. And number two, guardianship, so you can manage their healthcare affairs for them, folks. Really, really important that you take care of that either way. The more informal way with power of attorney and the healthcare proxy, and then also, if you do not already have that, if your loved one has not signed those and they no longer have capacity to sign legal instruments, then folks, you need to go to probate court, the more formal route, to get appointed as a guardian and a conservator. Now you can legally step into their shoes. But before you run off to the nursing home, folks, I had another video on this. Explore other options for your loved one. If you cannot keep them at home safely, maybe you can explore assisted living facilities. Maybe you can explore government benefits such as VA aid and attendance benefits. Maybe you can explore, and you ought to, community-based benefits such as PACE program, providing all-inclusive care for the elderly, right? And then maybe even the Frail Elder Waiver Program as well. These are not easy to qualify for, folks, but you have a duty to explore them and consider them. Run the numbers to see if you qualify or your loved one qualifies. And if you do, you can utilize those funds to take care of your loved one at home, right, to assist. But if not, explore assisted living facilities. And if that still doesn't work, now you might have to exercise your powers under the power of attorney, under the healthcare proxy, or more formal route, guardianship and conservatorship, to have your loved one admitted into a skilled nursing facility for their safety. Folks, end of the day, we all have a duty and a responsibility to care for our aging loved ones when they no longer have the cognitive functions and the physical mobility to take care of themselves, like my late dad, who was a fall risk, fell down, split his head open, bleeding profusely. He was admitted to a hospital and then admitted to a rehab facility, slippery slope, sadly ended up in a nursing home. But he was safe there because if he returned home, it would have been unsafe, not just for my dad, but also for my mom as his caregiver. Folks, there you have it right there. Hopefully this educational video is helpful, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one.